Hey everyone, AJ here with another episode of SwiftUI for newbies and SwiftUI Animations, honestly. Just gonna do a basic video here on animating a circle. So I'm actually going to get rid of this, and what I'm going to do is hit circle, create a frame with 50, height of 50. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do rotation, effect, and I'm going to do animate dot linear duration. Let's do 1. Let me increase the size. Let me reference my notes real quick. And okay, anyway. So let's delete this dot rotation effect. Use the angle 360. And let's do an offset of x of 50, y of 50. Sure. Let's go back to here. And then we're going to need to add a dot animation here. And animate dot linear. Duration is 1. It's animation. I always mess that up. Animation. Duration is 1, and then dot repeat count. And this is going to be auto reverse equals false. Okay. Dot. Is this fix? What? Yeah. Oh. Repeat. Whoops. Forever. No. Auto reverse is always forget that S. Alright, so you might be asking, why do I have an offset? What's up with this rotation effect? What the heck is an anchor? So pretty much what we've created is a circle that's 50, wow, let me just restart. First we created a circle that is a 50 by 50 circle with a frame, right? We then added an offset of 50 to the right on the x-axis and then 50 down to the y. This is how we're going to get our circle to kind of start rotating. And then we have the rotation effect, which we're going to add a state to. And this is the animation for this circle. So this circle is actually going to start spinning around here. This is 1 second. We're probably going to want to slow it down to like 100. And then, auto reverse. You don't want it to, once it gets full circle, to continue to, if we take this away, I'll show you. I'm pretty sure once we get full circle, it goes the opposite way, or it stops. But what we want to do here is at state var circle equals false. And then let's do a dot on up here. I might have to add this into another V stack. On up here. And self dot circle is true. What? Oh, circles. That's why. So you can't have the same name as the actual circle. So I'm just going to call this state circles, and we're going to do circles. Let's do 360, otherwise 90. And this anchor means where do you want it, right? Center, do you want it leading? If we click resume here, nothing's going to happen. But right when we click play here, this should start spinning around, if I'm not mistaken. So it's going really slow. So if we want to increase this, and we want 50. So you can see it's getting faster and faster. So this is kind of cool because, you know, for me, I'm adding this type of animation. I'm going to use a bigger circle, but I'm adding some stuff like this in my, oh, I think we have to minus 90 then. Let's see if it goes all the way around. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right, so now it's nice. It's a smooth animation, and it's you know, it's a circle. If we were to do 120, it would just go a lot slower, which could be cool. So this guys, this gives you some ideas on what to put in the background, maybe your sign-up pages or your sign-in pages, maybe even the background of your app. But keep in mind, this is something that I would put in the sign-up page, just because this takes a lot of work for the phone, you know, to animate, and you don't want this in a view that a user consistently sees all the time. So that was just a quick intro to just animating with circles and animating in general, and creating this on appear animation. So once this loads, this is going to continue to go, and we can control the speed with, you know, this duration. So really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.